Hello, my little explorers. I'm Miss Alice, and today we're gonna make some magic happen. Are you ready for a holiday adventure? We are gonna make pipe cleaners dance. Yes, you heard it right. And we're gonna make a ooey gooey Grinch Slime. Let's get started.
Awesome science!
First, let's make our pipe cleaners dance like they're at a Christmas party. Here's what you'll need. Metal ball, plastic wrap, colorful pipe cleaners. Take your metal ball and plastic wrap. Stretch it right on top, very tight, just like this. Nice and tight. Now take your pipe cleaners and cut them into tiny, wiggly pieces. Take your pipe cleaners and scatter them around on a plastic wrap. Are you ready to see some magic? All you need now is our special ingredient, music. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Always want the spirit and on perfect sleigh. Look at them go! They're dancing just for you. Isn't it amazing? Alright, here's what we will need to make a Grinch slime. Clear school glue, green food coloring, contact lens solution, big mixing bowl, and some glitter. And baking soda. Start by pouring glue into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Squirt 1 tablespoon of saline solution. I think it's already working. Ooey gooey slime. Add 3-4 drops of green food coloring. So pretty! That's cool! Add some glitter. Ooey gooey green slime. Have fun! Well, friends, we had dancing pipe cleaners and we made this perfect Grinchy slime. What a cool holiday adventure! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Merry Christmas to everyone!